Unexpected ways to use ketchup around your home. Welcome to FastKlean eco-friendly channel. We've uploaded different videos focusing on green health and cleaning tips. Feel free to share them and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Ketchup is one of the most common and favorite condiments today. But what many consumers don't know is that ketchup can be used not just as a partner of French fries, but as an effective cleaner around the house. Cleaning using ketchup could be a bit unconventional for some, but that's what we are going for, right? Something new and out of the ordinary. This condiment is not only for food, but also for cleaning around the kitchen. Since ketchup is packed with vinegar and citric acid, you can use as an effective cleaner around your home. You can apply ketchup onto your copper-bottom pots and leave it there for as long as possible before you wipe and rinse it. You can also clean stainless steel and cast iron using this method. Ketchup can also revive the look of old and dull brass candlesticks and doorknobs. Since silver can also tarnish, you can slather, wipe, or soak it with ketchup before wiping it clean. In case your silver comes with a lot of detail, use a toothbrush to scrub it into the silver's grooves. Restore the beauty of your silver accessories. Do you have sterling silver bracelets that you no longer use because they've been tarnished and you can't clean them because you ran out of silver polish? Grab the ketchup on your kitchen pantry. Add a tiny amount of ketchup on a soft cloth. Spread it on your tarnished bracelet and wipe away. Once you are done, you will end up with a bracelet that looks like almost brand new. If the tarnish on the bracelet is too heavy, leave the ketchup on the bracelet for at least 15 minutes before you start polishing. Loosens up burned-on food. Almost if not all homeowners have forgotten that they've left a pot or pan on a stove, which caused the food to burn. Burned food is hard to remove and requires a lot of elbow grease. Thanks to ketchup, you can easily scrub them off without putting too much time or effort into it. All you need to do is put ketchup on the burned food, cover the pan or pot, and leave it overnight. Ketchup contains acid that will loosen up the burned food. Polish copper pots and pans. Copper kitchenware is popular because of its beauty and efficiency, and that's why a lot of chefs all over the globe prefer them than the others. The only disadvantage is that copper can easily tarnish. Fortunately, there is something you can do about it. Spread a layer of ketchup on the area of the pot that's been tarnished and leave it for 10 minutes. Get a soft cloth you can use to rub the pan and then rinse. If the tarnish is stubborn, add a heavy layer of salt on top of the ketchup before you start to polish. Remove rust from metal. All things metal like outdoor furniture, garden tools, and even kitchen utensils can develop rust spots. Apply a layer of ketchup and leave it for half an hour. Take out a clean soft cloth and rinse. Remember that ketchup is an effective rust remover on metals with tiny rust spots and not on metal that's been fully covered with rust. Check out our other cleaning tips where white vinegar is used as a home cleaner. Check the links in the description below.